You know what I haven't done on this channel yet? I haven't really done a case study yet. And that's what we're gonna do. And in this video, we're gonna go over what that case study is gonna be about. I'm gonna show you the computer exactly how I'm gonna do everything, go over maybe some niches, go over how to monetize, and the whole layout of all of that. Before we get into that, if you like videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I come out with tons of money-making videos on how to make money online, how to quit that 9 to 5. Let's get into the video. All right, so the case study, at least in theory, my plan is going to be on Clickbank, right? I know that you guys really like Clickbank videos, so I figure what better place to start than Clickbank, right? And we're going to pick a niche. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? You guys are going to help me pick the niche, right? So leave a comment down below. I'm going to maybe mention 2 or 3 choices. Leave a comment down below, and within the next day or two, depending on the comments, that's what I think I'm going to go with, all right? So what I really like is I like high ticket recurring kind of stuff, right? So my first instinct is to go into like e-business and marketing, right? That would be my first, hey, I like that, right? So I'm going to take a look here and see what kind of products they have, if anything jumps out. I kind of like John Crestani's, yeah, this one right here, the super auto webinar, simply because of the giant payout right here, um, and the recurring commissions that he has, the average rebill, which is really, really nice. But make money online is a very highly competitive niche to be in, and it doesn't have a ton of traffic like, say, weight loss, right? So that brings me to my next one, right? I like weight loss because of the sheer volume of how many people are trying to get healthy, trying to lose weight. To me, that's a very, very interesting one. So we could do with that cooking and wine or health and fitness. Um, and maybe even dive into self help. That goes in there. And I might kind of like the idea of spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs. So we're going to pick a product, and it's going to have a pretty good payout, somewhere in the, I would say, $30 to $100 price range with a reoccurring income. That's what I would want. That's my ideal product, right? So the other thing that I thought about maybe possibly doing was doing an Amazon Associates kind of thing, making videos on different products. And the one that stood out to me was pet products because it has an 8% commission rate with it. Pet products, they can get kind of pricey, and they have that passion behind it. I don't think many people are really passionate about furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden. Luxury beauty could be possibly. I don't know. I don't know how many people are luxury beauty YouTubing videos on that kind of stuff. So let me know. Do you like the Amazon method, or you like Clickbank better? I'm thinking Clickbank for this, right? And I'm leaning more towards weight loss, or really like spirituality. I don't know. I'd have to look and see how big that is. Let me know. Comment down below. Just comment what niche you want me to get into. So what am I going to do from here? Well, I'm going to create videos on YouTube. I'm going to do the keyword research that I've showed in many of my videos before. Um, if you haven't seen any of those videos, make sure that you go back and look for them. I go over in a lot of like keyword detail on how exactly to do keyword research. One of the videos that I go in depth on this is the Google Slides video. So I think it's how to make $100 a day with Google Slides. Check out that video because it goes in depth and how to do this method, right? The only thing I'm going to change up is there's this software here. It's called Content Samurai. It's pretty new. I just seen it from actually another make money online YouTuber uh, was doing a bunch of videos on Content Samurai, and I like the idea behind it. It basically is going to create the video from videos that it already has. So it has a bunch of like clip art video kind of stuff, and you basically write the script. It's going to create the video. So this is fast. This is really, really fast. And I really, really like it. It's got a free 7-day trial, so that makes it perfect. If I like it more, then maybe I'll make some more videos on that, right? Let me know. Is that something that you guys are interested in, seeing more about this? Basically, what I'm going to do here is maybe once a week I might update and do a video on where I'm at. Um, I'm not going to actually show the channel unless, I don't know, let me know. Is that something you guys want to see? Do you want to see the channel? I would not show the channel um, at least for a month or two, just until the ball is rolling, because I don't want any of you guys going to check that out and skewing it. Not to mention that you can jump into that niche as well and steal some of the keywords, and then it makes it not as successful, right? So the whole point here is to make something, the case study, successful. So I don't want to taint that in any particular way, right? So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing the channel. I would say, though, honestly, and 100% truthful, if it became wildly successful and I was making, say, $1,000 a day from it, chances are I'm not going to release that one. Sorry, guys. I mean, would you, honestly? But if it makes a sale or two a day, then I don't have any problem releasing the video, the YouTube channel. So, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know. A lot of feedback from you if you want to see this case study and how it's done. I'm going to show you, you know, we're going to kind of play this by ear. Well, maybe in a week, I'll make a video on the progress that I've done, maybe show you how I make a video, maybe show you, a video not in YouTube. I don't know. Let me know. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.